homework assignments. On the last homework assignment, I think about 80% of the people could not find an outlier. 3 people did it very effectively. Their papers are on the wall. I don't know whose names are. I think it's Takurtra, Diana, and one more person whose name I can't read. Here's how we need to find an outlier. And I made a video on it, so I hope some people watch the video. By the way, big shout out to Rogelio for catching an error in my video. Very, very good. Eddie for requesting a video. It's that level of tenacity that we need. Okay, so outliers, all you're doing is 1.5 times IQR and Q3 plus this or Q1 minus this. So any data point that is above, so bigger than this, Aaron, all right? I'm just hearing some discussion. Bigger than this or less than this value, we have a outlier. Also, Q1 is the number below which about 25% of the data is. So no, we definitely already wrote this down, but a lot of people are missing things. So I want to re-explain. Yep. So any questions on outliers, IQR, what Q1 means? Okay. It'll be crucial to know this for tomorrow. Okay. So let's jump right in. Question? Let's jump right in. So how much time do I want to? Okay. Okay, so I want to, we have the first problem on the classwork where we have a dot plot, and I want to walk through a problem like this. It's going to be helpful for tomorrow's quiz. So, given this dot plot, the first thing I want to identify is the 5-number summary. What numbers go in the 5-number summary? We'll start, Sergio, what's the first number in the 5-number summary? The box and whisker plot uses the 5-number summary. What is the first number? There are like 5 numbers here. 1, 2, 3. Certainly a minimum is first. Very good. Brian, what's next?
The Q1.
Okay. Dex?
I know it's Q3 right
Okay,
there.
that's fine.
And then it's max. So.
Jennifer?
The median.
Median. And Giselle, what's the last one? Good. Very good. We got to know this. Now, what is the minimum from this dot plot? Frida, what is the minimum from the dot plot we give you? Yeah. From the dot plot? Yeah, let's call it about 123. Call it about 123. And then what's the maximum, Shamara? 155. Very good. Now, I need to find 3 other points here. I need the median, I need Q1, and I need Q3. how do I find the median of the data? How do I find the median of the data? Alex, what do you think?
We'll see. I'm pretty sure there's 40 dots.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 19, 22,
Probably not.
27, 31, 32, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good job.
Oh, okay, cool. All right. You would you would go 19 and 19 from both directions,
19 and 19 for both directions. Okay.
and then the number in the middle, or the numbers in this case.
Okay, so what do we get from that? So we want to count 19 numbers on each side. What do we get, Alex?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do we get 135?
36. Yeah.
135.
So I got between 135 and 136. Excuse me, between 136 and 137. So we want to pick 136.5.
Yep.
You want to pick a number that is halfway between, right? So you can have, there are 19 numbers above 136.5, 19 below. Remember, if you find, for an even data set, you want to take the average of the two numbers. So certainly 136.5 is about right. Now,
Wait, why don't you do Q1?
oh yeah, so I'm about to do that.
Okay.
So, what's the process to calculate Q1, Magali? What's the process to calculate Q1? Okay, what does Q1 represent, Magali? This is where you flip back to earlier in the notes from day one of this unit. The first quintile, very good. Now, what do we know about this? What do we know has to be true, Magali, in the first quartile? What do we know has to be true in the first quartile?
It has to be less than
No, this was talking about the outliers, not about Q1. So you said Q1 is the first quartile. What does that mean? It's the first quartile. What does that word even mean? First quartile. You're explaining this to your 5-year-old cousin. What does first quartile mean?
Low.
It's too big for you.
Norma, what does first quartile mean? So it is the number below which about 25% of the data is, i.e. the definition I wrote right here. So if there are 40 data points, Jalen, how many data points are below Q1? 10. So let's count 10 data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is Q1, Jalen? Well, so I don't want to say necessarily 134. I'll say 133.5 because there are 10 data points below 133.5. How did I get that? Because there are 10 data points at 133 or less. I picked the number halfway between that and the next one, 133.5. Shamar. How come I'm not just using the calculator to find this? Well, because it is much faster than typing in all the data